It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 356. A particle moves on the x-axis so that at any time t is greater than or equal to 0, its position is given by x of t and its derivative is given by this, where a and b are two different positive constants. For what value of t in terms of a and b is the particle's acceleration is equal to 0? Here we have a position x of t and its derivative is given right here, right? The derivative of position is velocity, so this must be velocity. And we are looking for the value of t in terms of a and b, where the particle's acceleration is equal to 0, right? So acceleration is derivative of velocity, so v prime, right? So let's differentiate this function right here. V prime is equal to, we have to apply the product rule, right? Derivative of t minus a, that's going to be 1 times 3t minus b plus t minus a times derivative of 3t minus b, that's 3, right? And set that is equal to 0, right? So 3t minus b plus 3 times t, 3t minus a times 3 minus 3a is equal to 0. So we have 3t, 6t is equal to negative b minus 3a is going to be 3a plus b, right? So t is equal to 3a plus b over 6. So when t is equal to 3a plus b over 6, our acceleration, which is the derivative of velocity, is equal to 0, right? So the answer has to be B.